Imagine this, a 55-year-old man heavy smoker. He has a cough that doesn't go away for months. Now he starts coughing blood. He feels chest pain and loses weight without trying. This is not just a simple infection. This could be lung cancer. Warning signs include persistent cough, blood and sputum, chest pain, weight loss. Early diagnosis can save lives. If symptoms persist, get checked immediately. Follow for more medical shorts.